Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Chargebee to your US bank account, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Chargebee to your US bank account, start by logging into your Chargebee account. Navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payment Gateway option. Locate the section related to bank withdrawals or payouts. Ensure your payment gateway is properly configured to allow withdrawals. Next, select Bank Account to add or verify your US bank account details. Enter the required information, including your account number and routing number. Double-check all information for accuracy to avoid any delays in processing. Once your bank account is set up, return to the main dashboard. Look for the Transactions or Payouts section within your account. Select the option to initiate a withdrawal. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw to your bank account. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Confirm the withdrawal request to complete the process. You will receive a notification once your request is processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the arrival of the funds. If you encounter any issues, return to the Chargebee support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.